Okay. Hi everyone, welcome to our podcast. Today we're discussing Aeon Bank Berhad, Malaysia's first fully digital Islamic bank. I'm Jane, your host, joined by Tan Chi Chong, Song Ke-yi, On Yi Kang, and Lee Xin Yi. Aeon Bank launched on 8th of January 2024, backed by Aeon Financial Service Japan and Aeon Credit Service Malaysia. No physical branches for Aeon Bank, which means everything is digital and Sharia compliant. We'll cover 5 questions, starting with the digital banking strategy. Let's begin with question 1. Why did Aeon Bank choose a fully digital Islamic bank instead of traditional branch-based model? 4 key reasons from the case study. First, reaching the underserved. Many Malaysians lack access to physical branches, especially in rural areas. Digital banking removes the barrier completely. Second, cost efficiency. Building and maintaining branches is expensive. Going digital lets Aeon Bank avoid that and also escape old legacy systems. The case study calls starting with a clean state. Third, Sharia compliance from day one. As Malaysia's first Islamic digital bank, all products are Sharia compliant. But importantly, services are open to all Malaysians, Muslim and non-Muslim alike, that reach everyone inclusion. Fourth, financial inclusion. Without branches, customer can bank anywhere via smartphone. Aeon Bank wants to be a tech enabler, meaning enriching the ecosystem and not replacing it. So to summarize, lower cost, wider reach, Sharia compliance, and financial inclusion. That's why digital made more sense than traditional branches. Now, let's move to question 2. Chi Chong, can you explain how CRM helps Aeon Bank improve customer service?
Sure. Aeon Bank implemented a CRM system using Salesforce Service Cloud. With PwC's help, the goal was to make customer journey fast, responsive, and highly personal. Since the bank has no branches, the CRM is the heart of customer interaction. The case study says it empowers the bank to understand different customer segments and meet their unique needs, building trust and loyalty. For example, reporting and analytical tools help customers make better financial decisions. Also, the CRM enables quick responses. No queuing at branches. That's a major improvement over traditional banks. PwC and Aeon Bank map the entire customer journey, from back-end tech to frontline support. They embed a culture of expansional service, boosting productivity and strengthening relationship. In short, CRM isn't just a software. It is the bank's main tool for the personalization, speed, and trust. Without it, a digital bank can't survive.
Thanks, Chi Chong. So, about technology and digital transformation, Ke-yi, over you.
Thanks, Jane. So, I agree with the Chi Chong point, and technology is Aeon Bank backbones. They work with PwC using the BST method, which is business, experience, and technology. This is a holistic approach. On the business side, PwC helped navigate regulations so they could focus on a high-quality tech stack. On the experience side, they design a frictionless, personalized customer journey. On technology, they developed Salesforce Service Cloud as the core customer support system. Impressively, it was done in just 4 to 5 months, so it's much faster than the industry average. PwC also introduced Aeon Bank to world-class tech partners. Together, they build product aligned with the bank versions plus financial projection to ensure the success. So technology here is more than just an app. It's cloud, CRM, and analytical working together to deliver fast, tailored the service, setting Aeon Banks apart from traditional competitors.
Clean explanation, Ke-yi. So now, we'll move on to regulatory and also the Sharia challenges. Yikang?
Thanks, this is a critical area. The case study says launching an Islamic digital bank is no simple feat. Aeon Bank had to meet both central bank guidelines and Sharia requirements. First challenge, regulatory readiness. Bank Negara Malaysia requires digital banks to prove operational safety, capital, risk management, data security. Aeon Bank had to design everything from scratch to comply. Second challenge, Sharia compliance. Every product, saving, financing must be reviewed by a Sharia committee. No interest and contracts must follow Islamic principles. That adds complexity. Third challenge, balancing compliance with innovations. Automation is fast, but Sharia oversight often needs manual checks. Aeon Bank had to build tech that handles both speak and religious governance. PwC experience in Malaysia banking helped them clear these hurdles. They succeed on time and within budget, turning compliance into a strength.
Great point, Yikang. So now finally, we'll move on to Cindy. So the future of digital banking. Can Cindy tell us whether the digital banking can compete with traditional commercial banks?
I believe digital banks have a strong future, but they won't eliminate traditional banks overnight. Let me explain. On the positive side, digital banks offer convenience, lower fees, and faster onboarding. They reach the unbanked and underbanked, which is exactly where the market is growing. Aeon Bank's focus on financial inclusion is a major advantage. Also, lower operating costs means no branches, fewer staff means better rates and lower charge. The case study shows that Aeon Bank already has a robust CRM and cloud tech, giving them agility traditional banks lack. However, traditional banks have trust, decades of brand recognition, and diverse service. Wealth management, mortgage, business loan. Many customers still want a physical branch for big decisions. So, will the digital banks compete successfully? Yes, especially in the retail banking, payments, and personal loans. They will force traditional banks to digest this faster, and we are already seeing branches close as improve. In my view, the bank's future is hybrid. Digital bank leads in accessibility and innovation. Traditional banks survive by transforming. Aeon Bank, as a first mover in Islamic digital banking, has a great chance if they maintain trust and Sharia credibility.
Okay, so let me wrap this up. So to quickly summarize this thing, Aeon Bank chose digital Islamic banking for cost, reach, inclusion, and also Sharia compliance. Their Salesforce CRM delivers personalized and also fast services. Technology enabled the rapid transformation for just 4 to 5 months. And they faced real regulatory and also Sharia hurdles, but overcame them with PwC's help. And looking ahead, digital banking can definitely compete, especially in retail and also underserved segments. So one takeaway, digital banking isn't just about technology, it's about the people. The case study says Aeon Bank must instill a people-first culture to serve diverse customers. Okay, so thanks to everyone over here, and thank you for listening. I'm Jane, and we'll sign off here.